Howdy campers, welcome back. Let's get cooking. Oh, you're out of focus. Today we're going back to, where are you not focusing? Focus! Focus, focus. We're gonna cook in the Omnia oven. We're not on a campground cooking on the camp stove, but this will work just as well if you're not familiar with the Omnia. It's got a lid, it's got a bunt pan looking thing, and it's got a stainless steel base. I think that's what that is. And there's $1 million worth of accessories. I went outside the official accessories, and the only thing I've added so far is a heat diffuser, and that helps distribute the heat, and some air gets trapped in here, and then it comes up and up through here, and it cooks, bakes, uses convection, anyway. The heat diffuser helps keep things from burning inside. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to brown some ground beef and throw some of these in and some of this in, and then I'm going to layer some of this and some of this and some of that and some more of that and more of that and more of this, and then we'll top it with some of that, and that is salsa. And so the ground beef is going to be the first thing, and then I'll add some taco seasoning in and some of this. I think I'm going to chop up an onion and put some of that in with the ground beef also. So stick around, so let's see how it turns out. Doesn't that smell good? Yum. So I've got the ground beef, I diced up some onion, mixed in the taco seasoning, the diced tomatoes, and these are seasoned diced tomatoes, and I cheated a little and mixed in a little bit of gochujang, because I love gochujang, and I've been putting it on everything, and that's icky. The lid's dripping. Anyway, gochujang is awesome. I even put it on my salad, believe it or not. Also, my Spurtle. I made you out of clay. Spurtle. With Spurtle I will play. Anyway, I got me some nachos in the ring. I'm going to layer some of this, and some of this, and I forgot to mention some of this, and then do it again, and so I run out of room, and I'll be right back. Okay, you're going to have to ignore the thumping in the background. And I forgot a minute ago that I had my fan on while I was doing the ground beef. So here it is, all layered. You're supposed to leave an inch or so from the top of the pan so stuff doesn't spill out. I'm cutting it close, and you can see how messy it is. That's why my lovely assistant does most of the baking and important things, because I'm messy. I also didn't mention, I sprayed this with Pam to keep everything from sticking. That's made a big difference so far. And also, I've got this heating up. Most recipes, not all, but most tell you to heat up the bottom pan first. So I've got that going on. Got this ready. The recipe I got this from, she did hers on low for 20 minutes, I'm over 5,000 feet up here in Utah. We're not the mountains, we're the high desert, and that affects your cooking and gas and all that, and baking, your altitude. Anyway, so I'm going to put it about right there. Don't make fun of my messy stove, because everything's messy, and got a dog that walks by anything and throws a handful of fur on it, or a paw full, I guess. So, oops, excuse me. There we go. Let's give it, I'll keep checking on it after about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Ooh, looky there, looky there. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Oh yeah, I'd say it's done. So let me scoop out a plate and throw some salsa on it and see how it came out. Just in case it's not hot enough, got my hot sauce. Still got more gochujang if I want to use that. So, This looks more appetizing than any of the other things I've cooked, which has been so far biscuits and some kind of microwave chicken nuggets and fries. And this is good. I've still got some chips left I can dip in it. Came out good. So there's another camping meal, maybe. Ground beef, taco seasoning, can of diced tomatoes like rotel or something similar. Gochujang. I'm gonna have to add some. I'll try the crystal first. What else is in there? The chips. I layered the chips, sprayed the bottom of the pan. Chips, ground beef mix, refried beans. You could put just regular old black beans too. That's what the original recipe I saw called for. But I figured refried would be more fitting. Cheese, and then did it the same layer all over again, and came out delicious. So I topped it with salsa. I could add olives or sour cream. What else? Some crema. Crema would be awesome. So, thumbs up. Good job, Omnia. I'm really starting to like my little Omnia Camp Oven, even though I'm not camping right now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And now, if you excuse me, I'm going to stuff my face. Bye!